1981 Honda Express. Sorry, 1980. Put a Technigas exhaust on it. And a Honda Spree head, which bumps up the compression a little bit. Everything works on it. Headlights, turn signals, horn. Brake light lights up. Is that it, really? Oil injection still hooked up on it. It's a little smoky. I just fired it up. She's still a little cold. Pretty nice shape. These 150 original miles. It's been 50 miles on it this summer, just goofing around with it. Even the indicator lights work up here. And the high beam light works too. Pretty cool. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to put it in the basement and work on it a little bit over the winter.